Number 12, explain the difference between even and odd function, give an example of each. So we're going to just make this extra credit. Biggest thing to really know about this, it's kind of a pre-calculus skill, but regardless, if it is going to be an even function, even function is going to be symmetric with the y-axis. So what this all means is that if you plug in, let's just say you plug in a negative like this, f of negative x, your output's just going to be f of x. So I'm still confused what that means, Mr. Weaver. What do you mean by that? So if we had the parent function of a quadratic, and you do f of negative x equals negative x squared, our output would just still be x squared. Because it doesn't matter what we plug in, it's always going to be it's always going to be an even number, no matter what. So it's anything that's in the power of 2, or even, any power that's even. So next, an odd function. It's going to be symmetric. It's going to be symmetric with respect to the origin. So let's just use a simple example. Let's use a line. If you plug in a negative, and we have the line is equal to x, you plug in a negative, our output's going to be a negative x. So for it to be an odd function, it has to be symmetric in respect to the origin, or in other words, the power is odd to the function. And since you're kind of curious, if you have a combo of both even and odd within a function, it will be either, neither. You don't need to know this for the test, but it is going to be on it for extra credit. So if you really want to do this, have at it.